Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib C:/ /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.